Si Antonio na lang to eh. Oh, si Antonio.
Walter, can you wave your hands?
Nandun siya. Lag pa. Lag ako. Ba't nakita mo ko? May mata ko eh.
It's late. I'm freezing, I think. I'm freezing.
Hindi siya freezing.
Antonio, I'm freezing.
Ganun na.
Antonio!
I'm freezing, bro.
Are you there, Palit? Antonio! Fernan!
Am I freezing? Antonio, oh, thank you for the balloon.
It will soon okay. Drink your medicine. And can you give me balloon? Ate. Can you give me a lot of balloon? Yeah.
OMG.
Oh, ate, what's your matter? What's your matter?
Oh, I'm sorry, Antonio, because your best friend Rachel is making fun here. That's why.
Ay, Antonio! Are you still there or here?
Antonio, you're the one who sent balloon to me or Walter? I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much, Antonio and Walter, for keep on viewing on me and keep on watching on me.
Alam ko naman. Alam ko naman.
Thank you, Antonio, for your balloons. Aloe vera.
Thank you so much. But I think I'm freezing.
Dahil ko yan nakasalukong din sa Saudi.
Antonio, my brother.
Oh, best friend, can you chat a message? He's still there. Hello. Ate, what's your mother? What is your mother? Balatong ka talaga. Hey, ate. What is your mother? Have you been? Nakala ko sumama.
Ala, ano mong baby? Dali kang may limasikan. Ala, you kikinin. I hope I have a good connection.
Thank you for those balloons. Stop giving me balloons.
Thank you for the balloon. Antonio, you still there?
Doon sa wallet, may isang
Thank you for the balloon. Maybe I have a lot of message. No, wala naman.